Why is there no tuple comprehension in Python? As we all know, there's list comprehension, like. And there is dictionary comprehension, like. But we'll end up in a generator, not a tuple comprehension. Why is that? My guess is that a tuple is immutable, but this does not seem to be their answer.
You can use a generator expression, but parentheses were already taken for generator expressions.
Raymond Hedinger, one of the Python core developers, had this to say about tuples in a recent tweet. #Python tip. Generally, lists are for looping, tuples for structs. Lists are homogeneous, tuples heterogeneous. Lists for variable length. This, to me, supports the idea that if the items in a sequence are related enough to be generated by a, generator, then it should be a list. Although a tuple is iterable and seems like simply a mutable list, it's really the Python equivalent of a C struct. Becomes in Python.
Since Python 3.5, you can also use splat unpacking syntax to unpack a generator expression.
As another poster mentioned in his answer, the fastest way to create a tuple from a generator is tuple generator. Performance comparison. List comprehension. Tuple from list comprehension. Tuple from generator. Tuple from unpacking. My version of Python. So you should always create a tuple from a list comprehension unless performance is not an issue.
If you're